Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a real treat for you as we showcase the breathtaking beauty of Semporna, Malaysia, from a completely new vantage point, the sky. We've got our trusty drone ready to take you on an awe-inspiring journey over Semporna and its picturesque jetty. But before that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Semporna is a popular destination for divers and snorkelers, as it is the gateway to many stunning islands and marine parks. You can see some of these islands in the distance, such as Macbul, Kapalai, Sipadan, Mata King, and Pompong. These islands are famous for their crystal clear water, coral reefs, and diverse marine life.
The jetty in Semporna is where you can catch a boat to these islands. It is also a lively place where you can see the local fishermen and the Bajau Lot people, who are also known as the sea gypsies. They live in stilt houses along the coast or on boats, and they depend on the sea for their livelihood. From the drone footage, Semporna has a unique charm and beauty that attracts many visitors from all over the world. If you ever have a chance to visit Semporna, don't miss the opportunity to explore its islands and experience its culture.
Semporna is located on the east coast of Sabah, about 90 kilometers south of Tawau. It is a small town with a population of about 135,000 people. The town itself is not very developed or touristy, but it has a lot of character and charm. You can see colorful buildings, mosques, markets, and street art along the main road. The jetty in Semporna is the main attraction of the town. It is where you can find many boats that offer tours to the nearby islands and marine parks. The jetty is also a great place to observe the daily life of the locals, especially the Bajau Lot people.
In this stunning drone footage, we present a mesmerizing bird's-eye view of the Dragon Inn, the incredible floating hotel nestled in the heart of Semporna. This unique perspective allows you to witness the architectural marvel of the Dragon Inn as it appears to peacefully float atop the crystal-clear waters, offering a one-of-a-kind accommodation experience in this coastal paradise. As we soar high above, you'll notice the constant flow of boats coming and going at Semporna's jetty. The busy waterways are a testament to the town's vital role as a gateway to the stunning Semporna archipelago. Whether it's fishermen returning with their daily catch or adventurers embarking on island-hopping excursions, The jetty remains a hub of activity, showcasing the dynamic and vibrant nature of this coastal town.
Amidst the multitude of boats in Semporna, you'll discover a fantastic convenience, the opportunity to easily stop by the new jetty and book a thrilling snorkeling excursion to the renowned islands surrounding this coastal gem. With so many boat operators on hand, you can readily arrange your holiday adventure with ease. Whether it's the captivating Sipadan, the vibrant Matpool, or the pristine Tunsakaran Marine Park, these exotic destinations await your exploration. It's as simple as choosing your dream destination and embarking on a memorable journey through these crystal clear waters and vibrant coral reefs. Your underwater paradise is just a boat ride away. Semporna is not only a haven for stunning seascapes and marine adventures but also a gastronomic paradise for seafood enthusiasts. The town boasts a reputation for offering the freshest and most delectable seafood feasts you can imagine. From succulent prawns and crabs to a mouth-watering array of fish, the local seafood markets and waterfront restaurants here are a seafood lover's dream come true. Savor the flavors of the ocean while dining with a view of the very waters where these treasures were caught. So, embark on a seafood adventure in Semporna, where every meal is a delicious journey to remember. It's seafood paradise, and it's undeniably yummy.
Our journey over Semporna has come to an end, but the memories of this bird's eye view will stay with us forever. If you enjoyed this video, then come to Semporna to enjoy the real deal. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey over Semporna. Stay tuned for more incredible destinations and breathtaking experiences. Until next time, happy exploring. Bye.